Hello guys, I hope you're all keeping well. So today I was out on my daily exercise and I've just come across a little bit of a commotion. Unfortunately, a Ferrari 488 GTB seems to have had quite a big accident here just by Piccadilly Circus. So I'm going to go see if I can take a closer look without getting too close, obviously, and show you around a little bit what's happened. So you can see here this Ferrari 488 GTB supercar seems to have lost control somehow. I don't know whose fault it was, but you can see it's not come off very well at all. That wheel isn't attached anymore. The whole front, this must be a write-off, this car. You can see they put sand down everywhere for the fluids that were leaking out of the car. Quickly taking a look at the inside. Airbags have gone off. Quite a nice 488 Rosso Corsa's got the carbon fibre optional extras, but I don't think this will be doing much driving ever again, quite honestly, looking at it. So you can see this is where the Ferrari hit the bus. Overall the bus has come off okay, but it must have been quite a surprise if you were sitting in there and you see that chair forced out of the way, and there are even still parts of the 488 wedged inside the bus, which is just, the forces required to rip that off must have been absolutely insane. So I guess this guy must have lost control somewhere around here, although I don't know what happened, and ended up in the side of the bus.
Anything that will have your name.
So you can see they've had to close the road because of the chaos that this accident has caused. There's street sweepers and sand everywhere to clean up all of the mess, and then I guess a tow truck is going to come along later on to take this car away to the salvage yard. You can see in the back of the bin lorry there's bits of crushed Ferrari bumper that have been thrown in there as these guys are scooping up all of the debris. It looks like there's some very faint tyre marks on the floor here, maybe where the car's lost control and then hit the bus and then ended up all the way over there. I don't think anyone was seriously hurt in this accident, because I think I've noticed two people that look to be the drivers of this car walking around looking fine. So that's good news. The impression I get that this car was a rental, so maybe the guys driving it weren't too experienced driving a supercar. Maybe that's how something like this has happened, but you can see so many bits of car just wedged inside the bus. It's crazy. A bit of headlights just cut through the bodywork as well. See, the recovery lorries have just arrived to remove the bus and the Ferrari, so I'll wait around a little bit to see that happen. The recovery lorry is just getting in position to take the car away, so hopefully they can open the road up again, because people are backing up trying to get through here because it's quite a busy part of town. See, this has been a very bad day out for some, but fortunately, as I mentioned, it doesn't seem like anyone's been hurt. So, you know, cars can always be repaired, or maybe not, can always be replaced, but it's a good job that no one got hurt, especially no one on the bus. You can see that bloke trying to pull bits of Ferrari out of the bus over there. You can see this guy's pulling more bits of Ferrari out the side of the bus. And I've just noticed by chance, driving past the top in just a moment, touch wood, there goes a completely intact 488 GTB.
Step aside a little bit, yeah?
488 is now completely loaded onto the truck to be taken away, I guess, to the salvage yard. Sad to see a supercar like this, but thankfully no one hurt today. So that's the main thing to take for this. Drive safe. There you go, guys. The car's just getting taken away now. It's an interesting kind of different look at supercars. Obviously, driving cars like this, you've got to be so careful, especially at the moment. So it's very sad to see something like this happen, but I thought I'd give you a little look around it. So I hope you found that interesting, and remember, drive safe.